Today we get to look at the Lexus GS300. Choo 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 choo. Lasers, 2JZ. Pew pew pew. Non-turbo though. Non-turbo. Which I'm glad for because I don't need that drama in my life. So anyway, this car had a misfire on all 6 cylinders, which tells me that, either the valve cover is like oil soaking the plugs down, or there's like a wiring issue prior to the ignition. So I'm looking. There's an igniter here, and the way this does, it has 3 ignition coils, and they're under here. So in order to tune up this car, you have to take all this off. But all this looks good. There's no oil down in here. It's been tuned up at some point, but here's the problem. Here's the problem. Look at that. You see that wire break right there? That's a problem. So what I'm hearing is these wiring harnesses tend to break down because of all the heat that gets trapped in here. So I'm looking to see whether I'm looking at a full tune-up, which I don't think I am, or whether I can get away with rebuilding that wiring harness that goes to all the coils. So I guess stay tuned to see how much I mentally break down because of all of this. It gets better. I think I found my problem. Look, more bare wires. And this harness has like plugs. Like it's possible that that came out. There's been, somebody's been in here. So I think I found my issue, but there's not really like a good answer as far as like that harness. Like a lot of people are rebuilding them themselves. I'm not a wiring guy. Like I can, but it's going to take me a lot longer. So I guess I'll hit y'all with an update whenever I figure out what I'm going to do. I still might cry. Tears seem like it's going to be imminent. I'm not above it. I'm a sensitive man.